how to make a professional thumbnails for YouTube videos by using Canva. Assalamu alaikum guys, my name is Hassan Alisha and you are watching Hassan Scale and Tech channel. Today we will talk about how to create a professional eye-catching thumbnails. Remember guys, thumbnail of our video is as much important as the contents of our video. Without wasting more time, let's get into it.
So first of all, we have to open Google and type here create a YouTube thumbnail online free. So this is what you have to type and press enter. Now here you will see many links of many websites. Some of them are free. The first website we will try to is canva.com. It's free and good. So here this one is Canva. Click on this. You must sign up or sign in if you have already have an account. So I have an account. I will click on login. So guys, I am logged in into my account, as you can see here. Now as you can search many things here, so we will search for YouTube thumbnails. Here are the suggestions, so click on YouTube thumbnails. You can see many ready-made thumbnails design. Some of them are free and other are professional and paid. If you move your cursor on any thumbnail, you will see its status, either it's paid, pro or free. This is paid. We will go for free one. So here this one is free. Click on it now. This is a ready-made design. We have just changed its text, photo and even design of its background. You can also see many suggestions here on the left side which are good attractive design. Let's change the text. First type how. If you want, you can increase the background of this text. You can also increase the editable area of the text. So just drag it. You can change the background of the text, but it's good. Right, create, and let's say this one, YouTube, and press enter and write thumbnail. As the text is not fitting on this area, so we have decreased the text size. Click here and this is 130. So we have to change it to 100 and enter now. You see the text is okay. You can drag the text like this. For this photo, you can have your own photo or you can just Google and search for free pictures. Let's go to google.com and search for some pictures here. Write YouTube thumbnail design and go for images. But make sure you download images which are free. Don't try something which are copyright and which is not free. So what we can do, we can go to website that offer free resources like freepic.com. This website mostly offer free photos and free videos. So go here. From here you can search photos. Here search YouTube thumbnails. Here also some picture are free and some are pro. So we have to download a free picture. This one I think is better for our thumbnail. So click on this photo, click download. You can also edit this picture online if you click here, but we simply download the photo. Click on the free download. Now the photo is downloading here. The size of the photo is 12 MB. So it means it is a very high resolution pictures. Now let's go to our thumbnail on Canva. So click on photo and from here go to the folder. Just drag and drop this photo here. Now you see the photo is being uploading. If the size of the photo is small, it will not take too much time. It is better to have your own photo in PNG format. You can see the photo is being uploading. Now the uploading is almost completed. Yes, it is completed, and you can see the picture is here. So guys, I recommend you to have your photos which is in PNG format without background is better. Let's see how it affects the thumbnail. Drag and drop this picture here. You can see it does not fit into the area which we want, but we have to adjust it like here. So now let's try to adjust. Okay, now let's rotate the photo and move it here. Great, it's looking better. So guys, you can see we have created our thumbnail for YouTube. Hope you will enjoy this video. For more videos, subscribe, like and share my channel.